Welcome back to my channel, and I'm shooting this video, and the topic is Ronnie Sharma remote control car edition. So let's get started. So there is the car, as you can see, and here is the remote. So let's get started. Why are we wasting our time? And okay then, okay. Whoa. Guys, do not try this at home. Your remote control car can be destroyed. Do not try this at home, please. It is very dangerous. So guys, this was my remote control Ronnie Sharma edition. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.